and welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon, the Spoonie Stitcher. This is the Stitchery. I'm so glad to have you join us today. Why am I wearing glasses? I have incredible light sensitivity and it's allergy season. That's all you need to know. So we're gonna live with the glasses for a few videos. And I'm sorry if you don't like it. My voice is different because I have drainage and allergy season, so yep. Today we are going to talk about a book that I've been dying to talk about. If you didn't see my Amigurumi book tag video, I will link it down below. I mentioned in that video that I was going to talk about a book that just came out. Well, last year. And here it is. Here's that video. We are going to talk about 1 hour Amigurumi. Can you really make it in an hour? Spoiler alert. Yep. This book was written by the same person who wrote this book, Hooked on Amigurumi. So I knew it had to be good because I love this book. So, this is written by Melanie Morita-Hu, and I absolutely love this book. I have already made a bunch of things out of it, and yes, I will show you. But I timed myself. I wanted to see if it was true, if you could make it in an hour. Now, I am a Spoonie with neuralgia and dysautonomia, and I decided that, okay, 2 hours would be reasonable for me. I do not crochet that fast, so that would be really huge if I could find something I could crochet that fast. I made the heart as my first test. So I made the heart, and I timed myself to see if I could make it in an hour. I didn't make it in an hour. I made it in 57 minutes. Isn't it cute? I love it. I thought it was so cute. But I went, okay, that's a little simple. So maybe, you know, maybe that was too easy. All right. So next I went for another one of her patterns in here. The Peep. Simple enough. I didn't stitch on the mouth because I actually couldn't find my black yarn. I guess I'd used all of it for the little mouth. I don't know. But anyway, I didn't have it upstairs, so it didn't happen. And I made the little Peep. Now, this one took me, I believe it was an hour and like 5 minutes or something. I struggled with just sewing my ends back in. So I don't really count that. So yes, I would say that it's an hour, okay? I would say that sewing in your ends, especially if you're struggling to sew in your ends, shouldn't count. So yeah, I would say it was an hour. Isn't it cute? And then I went, okay, all right. Let's find something where you have to make pieces. And she doesn't have a lot of those in here. So, I just decided to pick one that I needed for a project anyway. So I made her sun. This is the sun. And this is the one I made. Now, this one took me over an hour because of you have to make all of these little guys. And then, but you crochet them into it. So there's no sewing, you just crochet them into it. But still, it was over an hour. But for a Spoonie, as long as it's under 2, I say it passes. Seriously, especially if you have hand issues or neuralgias, it passes. Yes. So I'm going to say her book is absolutely true. I would totally recommend this book. Her patterns are written so clearly. Her pictures for sewing things and such are really, really great. She's got great illustrations. She breaks it down. None of these are complicated. If you saw her first book, this one, she had like different sections and categories, and she does that again. So she has Aloha State of Mind, and A little dirt never hurt. So like gardening and food and stuff. Super cute. Oh, the daisy. That one's cute. Then we have, I think it's the kitchen one. What's cooking? Good looking. If I go too fast, feel free to pause the video at any time. And celebrate the seasons. So that's where I did most of mine. See, there's the peep and there's the heart. But the one I am most excited to make, and I have not made it yet, and I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know what it is about this thing. I'm in love with this cauldron. It is so cute. I don't know what it is. It's adorable, and I have to make it. So that's next. Like I needed another project to make right now, right? But if it's super fast, why not? So yeah, I'm really excited to make that one. And that's all her patterns. So it's got 40 designs, and they are all super easy. I would even say this is beginner friendly. Yeah, I would say this is definitely beginner friendly. She does have in the back the basics. So you can, you know, she's got tips and tricks, pictures on how to do stuff. If you don't know things, you know, how to make slip knot, how to make a chain, front loop, back loop, single crochet 3 together, which can be tricky. How to make an oval, changing colors, very important. The seamless join, how to weave in your ends without them coming out. And then she has this little thing about each pattern in this book is assigned a skill level between 1 and 3. Beginners are encouraged to start with level 1 projects and work their way up. So she has what she believes is, you know, the best way to go about it. So she's got, you know, level 1, level 2, level 3. And I think that's genius. That's a great idea. So, would I recommend this book? Absolutely. 100% recommend this book. Go buy this book. I will try to find the Amazon link and put it in the description below. That's where I got mine. I'm sure you can find it anywhere though at this point. And yeah, I don't have an affiliate link. I don't make any commission at all. I just want to make it available for you guys. So I would recommend this book. I also recommend this book if you haven't seen this book either, her first one. This one is super cute. But yeah, I would recommend this book. I would recommend this book for beginners, intermediate, advanced, if you just want to have something to do that's fun. And it's a book review. It's pretty short. I made it. I liked it. Approved. So, Spoonie approved. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this kind of video, please let me know in the comments. Do you want me to do more book reviews? Have you made anything from this book? Do you own this book yourself? Did you find anything too challenging? I'm curious. Could you make these in under an hour? All right, friends, that's it. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. If you like my kind of content, please consider joining my Yarny Zebra family and come back for more. Please share this video with your friends and family you think would be interested. So that's it. Short little video. Thank you for joining me today. And remember, Spoonies can stitch it up too. Seriously, we can. Bye.